Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing 3 super cute and trendy Christmas nail art ideas. They are so easy to create, so let's get started. Let's kick off design number 1. Apply a layer of gold magnetic gel over a white base. Use your magnet to pull out that gorgeous velvety shine. Now paint on the antlers and big eyes. For the muzzle, paint a beige curve right at the free edge. It looks just like a French soup. To make him really pop, use a fine liner brush and black gel to outline the details. This gives it that super cute cartoon look. Time for the nose. We want it 3D, so apply a thick drop of rubber base or builder gel to create a raised bump. Cure it well. It's not Rudolph without the red. Cover that 3D bump with a sparkly red glitter gel. Look how much that stands out. Seal everything with a glossy top coat and you're done. Look at that shimmer. If you wear this for Christmas, leave a reindeer emoji in the comments below. Moving on to design number 2. Start with a layer of blooming gel. Use an ombre brush to tap in some white gel unevenly. Watch how it spreads to create this dreamy foggy winter sky. Pure when you love the look. For the tree, I mixed green and gold magnetic gel. Here is the secret. Draw just one section, use your magnet to make it shine, and flash cure it. Then do the next section. This keeps those magnetic lines perfectly sharp. Now, let's bring it into focus. Use a thin liner brush with black gel to outline the 3 tiers. Apply your top coat, but don't cure it yet. Place 3 tiny gold beads at the very top to act as our star. Now you can cure it. Just look at that magnetic shift through the fog. If you love this moody winter vibe, double tap the skilling. For our final look, I'm sketching the outline with a pencil on a white base first. You don't have to do this, but it guarantees your design turns out perfectly symmetrical. Let's add some color. I'm filling in the mittens with a bright Christmas red. Don't forget to paint the little wrists and the fluffy cuffs. Just like the other design, use your black liner gel to outline the edges. This ties our tree looks together with that cute cartoon theme. Now, paint a little pine branch at the cuticle area. Here is a cool trick. Apply a layer of top coat, but don't cure it yet. Sprinkle gold glitter on the branch, then cure it. It locks the sparkle in perfectly. Do you like this wet on wet glitter hack? Let me know in the comments. Let's hang on ornament. Make a raised dot using thick rubber base. Once that's cured, cover it with gold magnetic gel and use your magnets. Now it looks like a real 3D bubble hanging from the branch. For the final touch, paint a heart on the palms with white gel. Stop, don't cure yet. Pour shimmer powder over the wet gel to create a fuzzy velvet effect. Now cure it and you're done. And there you have it. 3 cute and cozy Christmas idea. Which one will you try? The reindeer, the tree, or the mittens? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to like for more holiday art.